Welcome to What's Kenny Cooking? I'm Kenny, and we're down here in Sevierville, Tennessee at Duval Campgrounds, and we're getting ready to make a cobbler for a little bit later. It's a Dutch oven cobbler, and this takes just simple ingredients. You got pie filling, a yellow cake mix, half a stick of butter, and cinnamon. Put it in the Dutch oven and let it bake for 45 minutes. So go ahead and watch how I do this. Well, as soon as I go get the pie filling, hang on. All right, let's go ahead and dump those on in. Oh, let me get my spoon in here. Now I got about 15 coals on the bottom of the Dutch oven. I got 3 cans of pie filling. You need about 60 ounces. Spread that around till it's evenly all the way around. So we get all of that. There we go. Like I said, just a regular yellow cake. Now you just sprinkle that around on top of it. There you go, just all on top of it. The next thing, got some cinnamon. We'll sprinkle that on top. And this is just a taste. You like cinnamon? Put more cinnamon. And we're gonna go ahead and load it up because I like cinnamon. All right. And then I got a half a stick of butter, cut up in chunks. And we're just gonna evenly put them on top. Like so. Top goes back on top. And now I'm going to put about 10 coals on top. So 15 on the bottom, 15 to 20, depending on how big your Dutch oven is. This is about a 12-inch Dutch oven. I get that out of there. So we're going to put that evenly on top. Okay. So now we're just going to let that go for about 45 minutes and then we'll go ahead and check it. So let's see what we got.
Wait. Okay, that's good.
Okay, it's been 45 minutes. I think the cobbler's ready. I went ahead and removed it from the coals. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Be careful not to get any. Okay, here we go. You can see, let's go ahead and get a little spoonful. Now let me see it. You can see that? Nice and hot. The cake is cooked all the way through. That yellow cake is sweet with the peaches. Hey, great cobbler. Simple recipe. You saw how I did it. Cake box, 60 ounces of fruit, cinnamon and butter in the Dutch oven, 45 minutes. Thank you for watching What's Kenny Cooking? See you next time.